In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix website. If you want to remove a website from your Wix account, the process is actually very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, just make sure you're signed in to your Wix account so you can access your list of websites. Start by looking at the top left corner of the screen. From there, click the drop-down icon. This will open the area where you can view the sites connected to your account. If you have more than one website, this is the quickest way to get to the full list and manage them more easily. Once that menu opens, click on Go to All Sites. This will take you to the main dashboard where all of your Wix sites are displayed in one place. This page is helpful because it gives you a broader view of everything in your account, making it easier to choose the exact site you want to remove. Now find the website you'd like to delete. Take a moment here and make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites with similar names. When you've found the right website, move your cursor over it. As you hover over the site, additional options will appear. Next, click on More Actions. This opens a small menu with management options for that specific website. From that menu, select Move to Trash. As soon as you click that, the site will be moved out of your active site list and placed in the trash. And that's it. That's how you delete your Wix website. One quick tip before you do this: moving a site to the trash is a good step if you no longer want it active, but it's always worth double-checking that you won't need any of its content later. If the site contains important pages, images, or design elements you may want to reuse, it's a good idea to review everything first before sending it to the trash. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top left, click the drop-down icon, choose Go to All Sites, hover over the website you want to remove, click More Actions, and then select Move to Trash. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly remove a Wix website from your account.